No, guys, the bird sits on his perch. Come down, bird.
Bang, 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 bang.
You're like not. You weren't even aiming at me. You were aiming like in that direction.
Bang, 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 bang.
Your bullets were arcing at me. Alright, let me see your face. So what's the purpose of your face?
Idiot!
It's so I can hide my face. Bird! The bird squad will reassemble once again. I already meme on my name.
Teddy, here you go. Oh my god! Jeez.
Hey, you know what's more lit than that noise? This upcoming video, fam squad here for another lit dab fleek.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you guys. There was a Harley rider in Florida.
Alright, so guys, we got the whole squad. We got the bird burglar.
Fleek! The lit dab, fam.
We got
squad.
the bird burglar.
Do your
We got the bird burglar!
Make your bird burglar noise.
The bird.
Okay, well that was it. I'm glad we got to
got-
run down through all of the names before we loaded in. Yeah, let's all bird on these birds.
Alright, come on.
Like the bird Pokemon.
He air blasted this fucking thing at me.
Are you ready for this bird noise?
That's it, men, move that cart.
There was a cat Pokemon added in the new games.
Yeah, well, no one cares. Toucan
I don't like
cares.
the new Pokemon. They're scary and they try and beat me.
What?
They're scary because they
Okay,
represent...
but like
almost
gamers are also scary. We eat bees.
Cool, I killed that soldier.
You shouldn't eat bees?
Yeah, what do you not eat bees? Like, what is wrong with you?
When have you not wanted to eat meat?
You don't eat
cheese?
Dude,
All the cool
wait, I'm sorry,
stuff, dude.
can I-
It's a perk.
because I'm a bird.
That's a good. He is a bird.
I am the great canary criminal!
Alright, I'm going for a
God.
speedier bird.
Oh, the bird burglar, I'm watching you. Come on, make your move. Wow,
Not
you should make your
burglar.
move there.
YouTube is watching, bird burglar.
Now,
One of the things just have to be a sneeze.
you want me to
Never.
keep that in the video? That's like the one quality thing in our video.
Good. God! Fucking cock.
Go on, Macaw.
Beggar's bazooka.
You missed. You didn't hit anyone.
Macaw murderer.
Nice.
Kill the man.
You're gonna kill you.
Oh, fuck. I got crit.
Ah.
No, but I got 3. I have more than 0.
Oh.
Guys, come on, pull your own weight. Honestly. You should look up to me and my score. I think I can really...
I mean, we all have to bow down to the macaw murderer.
I mean, he did
No.
get 9 points.
More like swine. Thank you.
Alright, fam squad, we're gonna win this because I know it in my lit dab heart.
You're not real.
Alright, I dabbed to the heavens and they dabbed back.
Ooh,
No.
ooh, good signs.
It's a sign that we're gonna win this fam squad. Spy Pyro. Alright, the fam squad. Today we're gonna dab on some haters. Jake Paul is trying to me out there, dab. I got a bunch of viewers reporter. What are those? And then I shoot myself
For views.
Yeah, for views.
for lit dab.
There's a guy who did that.
Yeah. And then, but then,
Kill me.
like, but it was a powerful gun and a dictionary, and then the dictionary got shot through, and then they
Come on,
died.
if you want that adder of me, you better MLG it up.
Alright, fam squad, today we're gonna... Oh, okay. That guy who just killed me right there, he is not lit. He's not a dabber. He's not a lit fam squad dabber. He is
I'm
actually...
sorry, I think I was supposed to go as far as
he's a Logan Pauler. He's a...
Jar Jar Binks. Aha.
Hey guys, you wanna know something funny?
Never.
You wanna know something really funny? You wanna know something super funny?
Can't say
Alex, are you an engineer or are you a trader?
Hey guys, I wasn't recording your voices for the intros.
I'm a scout.
Oh, fuck you.
Were you recording our voices at all?
Nope. It just didn't go through.
Are you recording them now?
Yeah, now I am.
Okay.
Alright, we got the bird burglar.
Well, I guess we'll just. We're done with this.